All right, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get questions about all the trending topics online for your content completely free. So what you're going to do is go to a website called answersocrates.com, and this is what you're going to see. So this is going to be, for example, when you go into Google and you start typing a query and you see all the auto fills. Those are a treasure trove of potential opportunities to write and produce content that will rank. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to topic, and let's say that what we are looking for is the best screen doors for your house, for example. We are going to select the country that we want the search query to be in, and of course we can select the language. What we're going to do is we're going to hit the search button, and it is going to do its magic here very quickly. As we scroll down, we can see the questions that are being asked on Google. Are screen doors worth it? Are screen doors outdated? Are they necessary, etc.? They're all sorted into the should, how, when, etc. queries. And we can see that we have a fairly extensive list here. And if you pay particular attention to these kinds of things that we could create content for, best screen doors for the front door, best screen doors for cats. These are all listicle type of content pieces that would really work well for affiliate marketing and promotion of products. Now, to save us a lot of time here, we don't have to go through and copy and paste. We can go up here and simply download the CSV file, and we can cut out the sections or the columns of information that we do not want. And that will leave us with a list of phrases like this that can simply be entered into your favorite AI writing tool to produce some bulk-based content. So I urge you to take a look at this awesome free tool here, make use of it so you can generate a lot of informational posts through queries that I'm sure are going to be relatively low competition, especially if they don't have a lot of searches per month. And you can use that to build up more topical authority on your website to get better rankings and better conversions. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you get access to these new videos as soon as they go live. Thanks for watching.